First remote add 8888
Please enter instruction.
201
Remote control coding.
Select this.
Coding completed. Please enter instruction.
One remote added. So back. Star hash back. Come back. Next remote. Second remote. 8888 hash
Please enter instruction.
202
Remote
hash.
control coding.
Second remote.
Coding completed. Please enter instruction.
So add. So come back. Star hash. So check it your remote.
System on. System disarmed.
Second remote. First remote.
System on. System
So
disarmed.
two remote added. So working fine. Next sensor. Next sensor, door sensor. This is a door sensor. Okay, first door sensor added. This is a coding number. I tell you that. Coding number 8888 hash
Please enter instruction.
2301 hash.
Vector coding.
Select this. Swipe there. Okay. Add it. So add it. Star hash come back. So lock this remote.
System on.
Check it your sensor.
System disarmed.
That's all. This is a door sensor. Add it. The working fine. That the remote control. So, and door sensor. Okay. Just close it. Next, motion sensor. Sensor. Add. So, the number 8888
Please
hash
enter instruction.
2302 hash.
Vector coding.
So
Coding completed. Please enter instruction.
add it. Okay. Next, star hash back. Okay. You check your motion sensor. Close this. Lock.
System on.
You swipe the fingers.
System disarmed.
That's all. This is your add to a sensor. So working the motion sensor. That's all.